Wake up. I wake up at 8 o'clock. Get up. It's time to get up. Make the bed. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. Wash your face. I wash my face every day. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Clip nails. I clip my brother's nails. Get dressed. I usually get dressed before I have breakfast. Have breakfast. I usually have breakfast at about 7 o'clock. Go to school. The boys go to school in groups. Go to work. He doesn't go to work on Sunday. Exercise. Diet and exercise are equally important. Take a taxi. Take a taxi for home. Wait for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus to go home. Work. He's been working hard all day. Take a break. I think this is a good time to take a break. Get home. She got home late last night. Leave school. I leave school at 3 p.m. every day. Have lunch. We usually have lunch together. Take a nap. I usually take a nap after lunch. Have a snack. He had a snack while watching TV. Do homework. I need to do my homework. Take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Feed the dog. We feed our dog 3 times a day. Play with friends. Today, I played with my friends. Go shopping. I have to go shopping this afternoon. Have dinner. We usually have dinner at 8 p.m.
And to watch more learning videos, subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and visit our channel to watch more videos and learn. Please subscribe to the channel.